Here I have TOSHIBA AT10-A, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. Firstly, you should open settings, then you should go to the backup and reset, then select factory data reset, top reset tablet, then erase everything, and after a few minutes your device will be restarted. And yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.